Hey there, you're sitting on the couch, scrolling through your phone, and you come across a sleek, neon green banking app called Monzo. Intrigued, you download it and start using it, but then a thought pops into your head: who actually owns this bank? Hook. We've all heard of the big, traditional banks, but Monzo seems different. It's a digital bank, and it's growing rapidly. So, who's behind the curtain? Let's dive into the mystery of Monzo's ownership. Building context: what is Monzo? Monzo isn't your average bank. It's a digital bank that operates entirely online. It was founded in 2015 and has quickly gained popularity, especially among younger generations. Monzo offers a range of banking services, including current accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. The early days, the founders. The story of Monzo begins with a group of friends who were frustrated with traditional banking. They wanted a bank that was more transparent, more convenient, and more customer-focused. So, they decided to create their own. The founders of Monzo were Tom Blomfield, a former investment banker who had worked at Barclays. Gareth Morgan, a former management consultant. Jason Bates, a former software engineer. Rafe Morgan, a former investment banker. The journey to success: early funding. To get Monzo off the ground, the founders needed funding. They turned to venture capital firms, which invested in their vision. Early investors in Monzo included Anthemis Group, a venture capital firm focused on financial technology. 83 North, a venture capital firm that invests in technology startups. The rise of Monzo: expansion and growth. With the help of venture capital funding, Monzo was able to expand rapidly. The bank launched new products, opened offices in different countries, and acquired other businesses. Monzo's growth was fueled by its focus on customer satisfaction and its innovative approach to banking. The question of ownership: who calls the shots? While Monzo's founders played a crucial role in its early success, the bank is no longer solely owned by them. As Monzo has grown, it has attracted the attention of larger investors. One of the most significant developments in Monzo's ownership structure was the acquisition of a stake by TSB Bank. TSB, a subsidiary of Lloyds Banking Group, became a minority shareholder in Monzo. This acquisition raised questions about Monzo's independence. Some people worried that the bank's commitment to innovation and customer centricity might be compromised. However, Monzo has maintained its identity as a digital-first bank. The future of Monzo: what lies ahead? Monzo's future is uncertain. The banking industry is constantly evolving, and new competitors are emerging. However, Monzo has a strong brand and a loyal customer base. The bank's continued success will depend on its ability to adapt to changing market conditions and to maintain its focus on customer satisfaction. It's also possible that Monzo could be acquired by a larger financial institution in the future. Conclusion: the mystery solved. So, who owns Monzo Bank? The answer is complex. While the founders played a key role in its creation, Monzo is now owned by a group of investors, including TSB Bank. Despite changes in ownership, Monzo has remained committed to its mission of providing a better banking experience for its customers. As the bank continues to grow, it will be interesting to see how its ownership structure evolves. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.